Hello children. Today we will see the next part of our lesson, that is the factorization of algebraic expression. Under this, today we will see the this factorization I told you, that is the 2x square minus 9x plus 9. This factorization I shown you before unit test, and now we will see the next factorization, that is the factorization of 2x square plus 5x minus 18. 2x square plus 5x minus 18. So here I will write 2x square plus 5x and minus 18. As I told you before, we have to do the multiplication of the coefficient of x square and 18. So 18 to the, its answer is the 36. Okay, and 36 factors. Okay, this much page we will it. I wrote this question. I copied from here. So 36 and plus into minus. This is the plus and that is minus. So plus into minus is the minus 36. And minus 36 factor we have to find for the plus 5. That is the x coefficient. Okay. So 36 is present in so many tables, like 12 into 3. Okay. Then 3 into 12. Then 9 into 4 or 4 into 9. This is present, but I have to select this number whose addition or subtraction is 5. Okay, or 36 ones are 36. That is also one of the factor. Now, if I will done the addition of this, it is the 15 and subtraction of this is the 9. Okay, so this factor, this these factors I cancelled. Now I will choose this 9 and 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13, but 9 minus 4 is 5. So my factor for I will choose the factor 9 into 4 for this. So here I will choose the 9 into 5, and 36 ones are 36. If you done the addition of this, 37 and subtraction is 34. So it cancelled. Just I told you before only what we have to, which sign we want it here, plus 5. So that will get the bigger number from this. Plus 5 we want, so plus sign we have to give to the bigger number, and smaller, that is another. So 9 minus 5 is 9 4s are 36. Sorry, 9 4s are 36. Okay. Then here minus 9 and plus 4. Sorry, plus 9 I told you. Plus 9 and 9 minus 4. Its a subtraction is plus 5. So here what I will do, therefore first term we have to write as it is, as I told you before only. Instead of plus 5x we have to write here plus 9x and minus 4x. Okay, and the last term we have to copy here as it is. Okay, clear? Now the next step of it is the, okay, sorry, 18 is here, by mistake I wrote 8 here. Okay, so from this first 2 and second 2, okay, we have to take the common from this. So what is common? Number is not common, because 2's table 9 is not there, 9's table 2 is not there. And what is common here? Only the x variable is common, x, that we have to take it outside the bracket. So the remaining terms from 2x square and 9x we have to write. 2x square inside 2 will remain here as it is. From x square, x is gone outside. Plus 9, x gone, this x will gone outside, common term we took outside. Now from the next 2 inside, what is common? That is 2 is common. Okay, so before writing the 2 here, we have to choose which sign we have to put here. So we have to compare the second and fourth term, and as I told you before only, if second and fourth term signs are different, if second and fourth terms signs are different, we have to take it here minus, and if it is same, we have to take it here plus sign. So from this I will take out 2 common, right? So minus 2 I took it outside the bracket. So from 4x, because of this negative sign, the signs which are present inside these signs we will be changed. So 4x square, 2 gone outside, it will be 2 because here 2 gone outside, so here remains 2x. And 2's table inside 18 is present at which place? 9th place. And because of negative sign, it becomes positive. So positive 9. So this is the common bracket, that is 2x plus 9. I will write it here. And the uncommon factors, that is x and minus 2. These two are the uncommon factors. Okay, that I have to write into the another bracket. So the factorization of 2x square plus 5x minus 18 is 2x plus 9 and x minus 2. Okay, so we will check our answer. See here, that is the answer. Same steps followed, just I told you before only. After this example, we will see the factorization of x square minus 10x and 21. Here if you notice that here x square doesn't have the coefficient, means 1 is there, but 2, 3, more than 10, 1 is it's not there. So this is the example, x square minus 10x plus 21. X square minus 10x plus 21. Okay, so 21's factor we have to find for the which signs are correct. X square plus 10x plus minus 10x, x square minus 10x plus 21. So 21's factors are, okay, you know that 21 is present in which table? 3 sevens are 21, 7 threes are 21, then 21 ones are 21. Okay, from this we have to select the factors. Okay, you can choose this one, otherwise this one, no problem, because 7 into 3 21 only, or 3 into 7 also 21. So 7 and 3 are the factors, and if you done the both addition you will get the 10 answer. So I will choose the factor, that is 3 and 7. If you choose 7 and 3 or 3 and 7, no problem, brackets place is only changing, and multiplication inside, if the place is changing there will be no problem. Okay, so here plus 21 we want and minus 10. So minus 3 minus 7 is the 10, as I told you before only. First term write here as it is, last term also you have to write as it is, only you have to change the minus 10x. 10x we have to change with the 7x and minus 3x. What is common inside this? X is common, and what is remain? X minus 7. And in these two inside, what is common? Signs check, second and fourth term signs are different, so we have to take it here negative sign. Minus 3 will come outside, and here because 3 from this 3 will go on outside, minus 3 gone outside, so here remains plus x, and from this here minus sign, because of minus sign this sign is changing, and 7 3s are 21, means here what will come? 7. This is the common bracket, and these are the uncommon terms. I will write here in the another bracket. Clear? In this way we have to factorize, understand? So this is the answer. Okay, note down all of you this, each and every step you just repeat it, revise the video and watch this, because it is very important. In 10th standard, 11th standard, these things are there, important for you. Now the last example, solved example, that is 2x square minus 4y minus 30. 2y square minus 4y minus 30. Its factorization we will do now. If you see this example, you will notice that 2, 4, 30. 2, 4 and 30 are divisible by 2, or the common term is 2 inside it. So first we will take out 2 is a common here. Now what is remain? Y square minus 4y minus 4y, and this example I will show you by 2 gone outside, so here remains 2y, and here minus 15. Now 15's factor for 2, 15's factor for 2, because y square doesn't have the coefficient, so 15's factor for 2 are the 5 3s are 15. So subtraction of this both is the minus 2. So bigger number will get minus sign and smaller will get the plus sign. So here y square minus 5y plus 3y and minus 15. To write here as it is, and take out y common from this. So y will come here common. If y will come common, what is remain here? Y minus 5. y minus 5, and from the next two what is common, that is just I told you signs we have to check. So if you see here, you will notice that here both are the negative signs, so plus sign will come here. Signs are same, plus we have to take it here, and 3 is common, and here remains y minus 5. So this is y minus 5 is the common bracket to write here as it is, and y minus 5 and y plus 3, y plus 3. Okay, so this you can also, this 2 is there here for the multiplication. So this answer, your answer may be here, see here I will show you 2y plus minus 10, because if you multiply here 2 into y, 2y minus 10, and 2y into 2y plus 6, 2y plus 6, this is also the answer, and that how it is I will show you now. Okay, so first of all note down this same example we will solve by without taking 2 as a common. Okay, so here I will write the example again, that is 2y square minus 4y minus 30. So 32 is a 60. 60's factor for the 4 are the 10 4s are 60. 10 4s are 60. So the bigger number will get the plus sign, minus, and here my plus sign. So I will write it here 2y square minus 10y plus, sorry, 10 6 is 60 we have to take. So and plus 6y minus 30. From this what is common? 2y will come common, and here y minus 5, and here what is common? Signs are same, so plus will come here. Second and fourth term sign are same, so plus will come here. Plus 6 will come here outside. 6 5s are 30. So y minus 5, this is the common bracket, and 2y plus 6 is the uncommon factors. 2y plus 6 is the uncommon factor. I think I told you plus 10 something, no? So here this is the factors, and from this if you take 2 outside the bracket, my mistake was there. Here I wrote here 2y plus minus 10, I multiply both the brackets, so that was my mistake. So here y minus 2, and 2 if you take it outside the bracket, here remains y plus 3. The answer is same like above. We solved that example in one more method, that is y plus 3 and y minus 3. So in this way also we can solve this example by without taking 2 as a common. You just take that 2 outside the bracket at the last step. So this is also one method for it. Now your homework, today's homework is you have to solve the practice set number 6.1. Okay, how many examples are here? 12 examples are there. Each example you have to solve step by step. If you see that each example has a 4 or more than 4 steps are there, so you have to solve this example step by step. Okay, this question will come in exam for 2 marks. If means each step carries how many marks? For this half mark it carries. Clear? So in this way you have to solve the examples from the practice set number 6.1, and then we will see the factorization of a cube plus b cube in our next lecture. So but the practice this example, because it is very important. The same lesson or the next part of this lesson or these factorizations is there for you in the standard 9th and 10th too. Okay, if you think about till 10th, this lesson is very important, and after that also it is also important, but till 10th you have to means you have to do the you have to follow this lesson. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.